How do one resolve? Let's see. How can someone rebuild trust after experience? Now, there's a real question. Now, um, this is a very deep question. How can someone rebuild trust after experiencing betrayal? This is a trouble spot for me as a doctor because uh, loyalty is my fundamental nature, and if there is a betrayal, that's real tough. Um, that's real tough. In my earlier years, I was never able to do that. Um, how can you rebuild? Well, we can go through depth healing technology and we remove the hurts, and then with a high understanding of the fact that everything is dependently arising, dependently ceasing, you have to be big enough and with enough consciousness to see your role in why the betrayal occurred in the first place. Plus, you have to be able to see that their behavior when they betrayed you, that's their programming. See, everything is programming. So it's all programming. And if you can be a big enough with enough consciousness to look at that in a very magnanimous way, you would be able to forgive, and it will naturally heal. But we're talking about a very high level. That's a very high level, and it's not a quick situation. That's a real strong one. That's, at least for me, it's a real strong one.